Technology continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, transforming how we live, work, and play. From futuristic eyewear to robotic assistants, today's gadgets are smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. If you're into tech that feels straight out of science fiction, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're diving into some of the most impressive new innovations making headlines right now. Let's start with something that looks like a sleek pair of sunglasses but is so much more. These augmented reality glasses are equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, which gives them the power to function independently, no phone required. They come with a 16-megapixel camera that lets you take photos and videos, recognize your surroundings, and interact with virtual elements layered over the real world. You can receive smart notifications, translate signs and conversations in real time, navigate with GPS, and explore an entire library of AR apps and games. With voice and touch control, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and a lightweight frame, these glasses pack serious power into a stylish design. Next, let's talk about a modern solution to an age-old problem: hauling stuff. Whether you're working in the yard, heading out for a camping trip, or just transporting gear, this electric utility wagon is a game changer. It's powered by a 500-watt motor and designed to glide over all types of terrain. It has a generous 200-liter capacity and can carry loads up to 130 pounds, making it perfect for both outdoor adventures and everyday chores. The tailgate drops down for easy access, and when you're done, the entire unit folds up compactly to fit in your trunk. It even includes a folding table attachment, turning it into a mobile workspace or picnic table. Now imagine wearing a smartwatch that doesn't need to connect to your phone, because it can do everything on its own. This innovative wearable lets you make calls, send texts, browse the internet, and use GPS directly from your wrist thanks to its built-in SIM card slot. But the coolest feature? The watch bezel pops off and transforms into a Bluetooth headset. Just twist it, place it in your ear, and you're ready to talk. No extra accessories needed. The device is waterproof, features a crisp AMOLED screen, and even lets you change out bezel colors to match your style. If you're someone who loves to build and learn, there's a new robotics kit that will blow your mind. Using one modular setup, you can build up to 7 different robots, all with AI capabilities like speech recognition, gesture detection, and advanced motion. It's a fun, hands-on way to dive into coding, robotics, and STEM education. The kit is fully customizable and supports both visual programming and Python, giving you the flexibility to create anything from walking bots to voice-activated helpers. Let's switch gears and talk about transportation, specifically systems that move people through mountains, cities, and even amusement parks. A global manufacturer is taking aerial transport to the next level with their cable cars, gondolas, and people movers. They've installed more than 15,000 systems across nearly 100 countries. These aren't just scenic lifts. They're part of the future of urban mobility. Custom-built to match the terrain and climate, they offer clean, efficient, and scalable transit solutions, whether you're skiing in the Alps or commuting downtown. Speaking of mobility, what if your next vehicle didn't drive? It flew. A new hydrogen-powered air vehicle designed for high-speed racing can take off vertically and hit 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds. With over 1,300 horsepower and a lightweight carbon frame, it combines the agility of a Formula One car with the freedom of flight. Set to begin official races in 2024, this aircraft could represent a whole new category of motorsport, and eventually a blueprint for flying personal vehicles. Tech giants are also reshaping the way we interact with digital content. Apple has unveiled a mixed reality headset that lets you work, play, and connect in a fully immersive space. You can interact with apps using your hands, eyes, and voice, transforming your surroundings into a personalized digital environment. Watch 3D movies, revisit your memories in augmented reality, or collaborate with coworkers in virtual rooms, all without ever touching a keyboard or mouse. This spatial computing experience is powered by a custom dual-chip system and a stunning micro-OLED display. Let's take a look at another green innovation, the world's first hydrogen-powered locomotive built specifically for short-haul freight and port work. This zero-emission train is designed to haul thousands of tons and run for 15 hours on a single refuel. It includes features like autonomous navigation, advanced safety systems, and a futuristic cockpit with a central driving position. It's a major step forward for sustainable heavy industry. Now let's bring things back to your own backyard. Traditional lawnmowers are getting an intelligent upgrade with robotic models that use LiDAR, GPS, and obstacle detection to mow your yard efficiently and safely, without any need for boundary wires. With an optional add-on, it even sweeps leaves and debris as it goes. You control everything through a smartphone app, adjusting cutting height, checking battery levels, or setting up no-go zones, all from the couch. For the creators and makers out there, a new industrial-grade 3D printer is making waves. It offers ultra-fast printing speeds, razor-sharp 8K resolution, and a massive build volume, perfect for printing large prototypes or multiple smaller objects at once. With a touchscreen interface, a built-in camera for monitoring progress, and efficient cooling systems, it's designed for professional use and serious hobbyists alike. Need backup power? A heavy-duty portable power station offers up to 6,000 watts of output and can be expanded with extra batteries for extended use. It's great for emergency backup, camping, or even powering an RV or electric vehicle. It's easy to use with a plug-and-play system and includes a smart app for tracking power usage. Built for durability and efficiency, it promises years of reliable performance. Waking up just got a little easier thanks to a wearable alarm that simulates sunrise and gently vibrates on your wrist to ease you out of sleep. It tracks your sleep patterns and syncs with an app that gives you personalized insights to improve rest and boost energy. No loud buzzers, no abrupt wake-ups, just a smoother start to your day. In the world of service robotics, there's a new humanoid assistant that's helping in hospitals, elder care facilities, and more. It can open doors, deliver supplies, operate elevators, and offer valuable support to those in need. Controlled remotely and constantly updated with new features, it's more than a machine. It's a partner designed to improve quality of life. If you're planning an outdoor event or trip, a smart cooler now exists that does more than just chill your drinks. With dual temperature zones, rapid ice making, and device charging ports, it's a portable fridge, freezer, and power hub in one. It runs on battery, lasts for hours, and even recharges with solar power. Perfect for road trips, beach days, or backyard hangouts. Finally, for green thumbs or aspiring home gardeners, a vertical planter system makes growing your own herbs and veggies easier than ever. It uses hydroponic and aeroponic methods, meaning no soil, and features stackable modules, LED grow lights, and app-controlled watering. Clean, space-saving, and smart, it's ideal for anyone who wants to bring the farm into their apartment or balcony. So there you have it, today's most exciting tech, from wearables and robotics to transportation and sustainability. These innovations aren't just futuristic. They're already here, quietly revolutionizing how we live. Thanks for watching. Next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.